Here's a solution in case you break those mini USB connectors. They're very easy to destroy, and when you lift the connector while you're plugging the cable there, you can get a normal cable or the one you just broke off and cut it and strip the cabling out, so you can have those 4 wires that is in the USB cable and connect them with the solder on these pins. This is the DUI more STM 32407 module anyway. And then when you solder it, you can mount you can secure it in place with little zip ties, and solder it on top so you still have access on the pins, and you can plug it and use it as normal. At this time it won't be possible to break off. Alright, thanks for watching.